Welcome to the video. So today we'll be solving question 1512 that says number of good pairs. It's an easy problem and most of you can solve it. So let's start. We're given an array of integer nums and have to return the good pairs. A pair ij is called good if nums of I is equal to nums of j, as in the element at ith index is equal to element at jth index, and I is less than j. Okay. So we simply need to return these number of good pairs. So let's see. Okay, so let's take the Leetcode example which says nums is equal to 1, 2, 3, 1, 1 and 3. Okay, I have to return the number of good pairs. A pair is good when this element, as in the element at I, is equal to element at j. Okay, and the element I, the index I is less than j. So the conditions are pretty simple here. You all must understand what I am trying to say. Okay, so we have to compare two consecutive elements of the array, right? We have to basically compare two consecutive elements of the array. So for this we'll simply use two loops rather. First of all, this will be our ith index. I'll run one loop for this. This will be my jth index. I'll run one loop for this. Okay. So let's dry run it. If my outer loop says for int I equal to 0, I have to start from the 0th index, I less than length of the array, I plus plus. Okay, and my inner loop will say for j equal to I plus 1. Why I plus 1? As I have to compare two consecutive elements. There's no point in comparing the number with itself. I have to compare at every iteration. I have to compare I with the next element, right? Therefore j is initialized to be I plus 1. J will be less than length and j plus plus. And here one point I missed, that I will be less than length minus 1. See, I have not memorized these questions. Therefore, while doing the dry run in the second loop, I figured out that if my j is starting from the first index and I is at 0th index, therefore when I iterate last, as in when my j pointer comes here, I don't want I to also to come here, right? I don't want I also to come at the j pointer. Therefore, my I will stay till here only. Therefore, I have put length minus 1. Okay. Now I'll simply check the conditions. I'll simply put the checks that if my nums at I is equal to nums at j and my index I is less than index j, then it's a good pair. I'll simply check it. Let's dry run it. First of all, my I pointer is here. And my j is here. Okay, my j is pointing towards 2. Now, is my nums of I, that is 1, equal to 2? No. So this condition is false. This loop breaks. J moves forward. Is 1 equal to 3? No. Again j moves forward. Is 1 equal to 1? Yes, 1 equals to 1. Is the index, that is 0 index, less than 3, less than 0, 1, 2, 3? Yes, it is less than 3. Okay, so it will do good plus plus. We have found one answer. J moves forward. Is 1 equal to 1? Yes, it is. Is I less than j? Is 0 less than 4? Yes, it is. It moves forward. Again good plus plus. We have two answers. Is 1 equal to 3? No, it's not. This loop breaks. Now we come into the outer loop. Let me clean this mess a bit. Now we come to the outer loop. Now I comes here. Okay, right. So is my, yeah, so is j is here, so it's I plus 1. Is 2 equal to 3? No, it's not. Move forward. Is 2 equal to 1? No, it's not. Move forward. Same, same. Okay, so this doesn't pass any answers. Now I moves forward, it comes here. J is pointing towards this element. Okay, now is 3 equal to 1? No, it's not. J moves forward. Is 3 equal to 1? No, it's not. J moves forward. Is 3 equal to 3? Yes, it is. Is the index 2 less than the index 5? Yes, it is. Again, we found the answer. Good plus plus. Now good becomes 3. Okay. Now again this loop completes. It comes out in the outer loop. Then I points here. J points here. Is 1 equal to 1? Yes. Is the index of this less than this? Yes, it is. We find an answer. Good plus plus. Good becomes 4. Okay, J moves forward. Is 1 equal to 3? No, it's not. Loop breaks. Come to the outer loop. I points here. J points here. Is 1 equal to 3? No, it's not. And since we have to run till length minus 1, therefore that's my final check condition, that's the final iteration, and we have number of good pairs equal to 4. Okay, so I think you must have understood it pretty well. Now let's code it. Okay, so the code is also very simple, guys. If you haven't solved it, no worries, I'm here. See, we'll first of all declare a variable good to keep track of our good pairs, and we'll give it 0 value to start off. Okay, and then we'll run the outer loop for int I equal to 0, I less than nums dot length minus 1. I have explained earlier only. I plus plus. Now the inner loop for int j equal to 0, j less than nums dot length. Okay, j plus plus. We'll simply check. Now here's the check condition. Okay, if nums at I is equal to nums at j and I is less than j, then we'll do good plus plus. There's no need for an else condition. Okay, and we'll simply return the good variable. Okay, let's test it. Success. Okay guys, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also, you can connect with me on my socials. They're in the description. Take care guys. Bye bye.